Thank you. No, we will not. And we might, just because we're on scene up there, we'll probably start midline. Okay. Maybe a little low, depending on what other people do.
Okay. And you're going to want to put the ASIM up to flash the line?
No, we'll go out under jib.
So you want this in all the way or reach?
It'll be a reach start for sure.
Next start is your Perf 1 and Ensign. Perf 1 and Ensign course around the lake is counterclockwise. Please clear the line for the Perf 1 and Ensign start.
2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Yeah. Not that it matters. Two of them are doing nothing.
Well, the ones
Two minutes.
Copy. Okay, I'm going to attack here. The red sheet, let's read the horse. Gene, hand me the red sheet. Gene, hand me the red sheet, please. No, I need it on the winch, please. It was already set to go. It was already set to go. Go, hoist. Okay.
Hang on, one second.
not curl. Let's get trim first, and then we'll curl. Okay, go ahead. Now we can curl. Ease the sheet. Okay, good. Okay, now you can ease it. Okay, spin her out. Spin her out. Way out. Okay, there we go. Ease. It wants to go out. It wants to go way out. Oh, okay, there you go. Okay, you're good. Perfect. Gene, if you can't use the tack line out about 2 feet, put it on the winch. Go right through it. Okay, that looks good. Okay. Now try and use it. Okay, good. Okay, good. Maybe a little bit more. Go put the tack up by the ball pole. Use the tack line so that the glue goes up to the ball pole. About 6 more inches. Yep, perfect. Okay, here we go. Now we're putting the grass. See how that lets the luck come to windward? See how it lets it rotate out in front of the boat. So when we're reaching, we put the tack all the way down. The wind's gone to the beam a little bit here, so it's a little reachy. And we may put the tack line back down in a second, please. Wind's gone back behind us a little bit. Definitely back behind us. There you go. Nice ease. Yeah, give me swirl in here.